How do you measure body composition? Well, typically what we do is test body fatness, and we can use lab tests of various kinds. And for most of you, the interest would be in field tests or things that you can use at home or that don't cost a lot of money to get done. Some of the lab assessments that are considered to be the best measures of body fatness or body composition include the one that is now considered to be the gold standard called DEXA, Dual Energy X-ray Absorptiometry. And this is just basically an X-ray machine that gives you cross-sectional pictures of the fat so that they can actually determine the total amount of fat in the body. So this is now considered to be the gold standard. Underwater weighing, on the other hand, that used to be considered the gold standard, is now considered a good measure of body fatness, but not equal to the DEXA. So the DEXA, the new gold standard, is an X-ray machine. One of the problems is that it costs quite a bit to get a test done. It requires special equipment and special expertise, but it's a good measure. Underwater weighing, formerly considered to be the gold standard, involves being weighed in an underwater environment. It takes special equipment and special expertise. It is also costly and probably not quite as accurate as the DEXA, but if you don't have a DEXA available, it certainly would be a good indicator of your body fat. And in fact, it was used to determine most of the field tests, to validate most of the field tests that I'll be talking about. And it does require special expertise. It's also a bit problematic for extremely overweight people or people who are afraid of the water and so forth, because you do have to be immersed in water. And essentially what we know is because of lean body mass, muscle is more dense, that people who are lean tend to sink, and the people that are fat tend to float, and we're looking for what your weight is underwater and use this as an indicator of total body fatness. A special equation is used once we determine your density from underwater weighing to determine your percent body fat.